Hello everyone, welcome to Asian Academy's YouTube channel. So this is one of the most anticipated questions which is asked to us from our students is that, sir, what shall be our approach for BARC examination, right? Should we carry forward the same mindset and same syllabus as that of GATE examination? No. I mean, whatever the considerations were there in the features of GATE examination, it is not same for BARC exam. The biggest problem with BARC examination is that there is no previous question paper which is officially released by BARC, and many students, will find questions online or anywhere else. How they would find those questions is that they will be scattered questions. Okay, it is coming out of experience of the students, not the exact questions they are, right? But throughout the years, we have collected a lot of data from our students and we have formulated a pattern for test series as well, just the way BARC examination is asked. Now, this was also one of the best things which I heard this year, right? One of the best things was that many students enjoyed our test series for GATE examination. It was very much in tune with the actual GATE exam pattern. I mean, the level of the questions I'm talking about. That is primarily important. Why? Because you may find a lot of test series in the market which are not in tune with the actual GATE exam. We have already started our BARC test series as well. You can join that. From 2nd of February, we have started our test series in which you will be witnessing 5 full-length mock tests over there. So still you can join this particular test series. It has already started from 2nd of February. Many students have joined it. If you will be joining right now, all the previous 3 mock tests which have already been covered, okay, out of 5, 3 are already done, 2 are left. So if you will join right now, you will get access to the previous 3 tests as well and the upcoming tests also. You can scan this QR code and register for our test series. The fees is merely 250 rupees plus GST. Please join it if you want to prepare for BARC examination. Nevertheless, this is the subject lineup for GATE Civil Engineering. And when we talk about GATE Civil Engineering aspects, right, you know that how was the weightage over the years of each and every subject. How it has been varying over the years. Because official paper is released, but you may not find out the same aspect for BARC examination. And the syllabus is a bit different. There is no general aptitude questions which are asked in BARC examination. But other than that, the syllabus of technical subjects remain the same. Level of questions can be a bit here and there, but you will also see a difference in the exam pattern. So exam pattern for BARC examination for OCS and DGFS, it is a bit different. So it is an online mode only, just like GATE examination, but it is completely objective type. And syllabus is same as that of GATE exam, but without aptitude. Now, syllabus is same for engineering services as well. But the type of questions which are asked in engineering services prelims, it is not same as that of GATE exam. The approach is very different. Time management is very different. Same goes for BARC examination as well. Total number of questions will be 100 in this and total duration will be 2 hours. Summarizing that aspect. So you may witness that total number of questions are 100 MCQs. But here marking is very different from GATE examination. Plus 3 marks for every correct answer and minus 1 for every wrong answer. Duration is also less. 1 hour less. Questions are more. So there will be a difference in the level of the questions as well. So your practice should be aligned with respect to that. I mean, whatever mistakes you have been doing in GATE examination, you cannot carry forward in BARC exam. Doing the same mistakes makes you a fool again and again, right? So you don't have to be a fool. Keep that in mind. You are practicing with respect to BARC examination exam pattern only, right? So no aptitude and GK is there. So that is a positive sign. So you don't have to cover any extra subjects over here. Only and only technical, including mathematics, right? So when we talk about subject weightage analysis, so there is no fixed subject weightage which is known to anyone. But we can gather information from the students over the years, and we have already gathered that. And the test series is prepared with respect to that only, right? So high weightage for structural engineering subjects is always there in BARC examination when we talk about civil engineering. In civil engineering, you'll see for strength of material, structural analysis, RCC, steel and BMC and geotech also. It comprises of 40 to 50% of your questions. 40 to 50% of your questions. Again, many students tend to ignore RCC and steel in GATE examination, but you will see good amount of questions in that, in this BARC exam. Many students tend to ignore building materials in GATE examination, but you need to cover it up in BARC examination because weightage is quite good over here for building materials as well. So there is a difference in the weightage. Approximately 50 questions will come out from these topics only. Average weightage of the remaining subjects like highways, irrigation, hydrology, environmental engineering will be there. Apart from that, most questions would be basic conceptual and formula based questions. Now, you may witness some questions in GATE examination which are a bit lengthy and which may require more amount of time, but not over here. On average, in GATE examination, you may encounter that you should complete one question in 3 minutes, right? But some questions will be taking very less time than 3 minutes. Maybe it is completed in 1 minute only. But some questions will be taking 6 to 7 minutes, even 10 minutes in some cases, right? But that is not the case in BARC examination. Try to cover as much syllabus as possible as you can because, at least greater than 80%. Because again, we want to get shortlisted. Now, one of the primary things about BARC examination, if you may know it or you don't know it, I don't know. But the BARC exam or GATE examination are just two qualifying exams for the interview of BARC, right? So also you may see some cutoffs which are enlisted on various web portals. I'll also share the cutoffs, but those cutoffs are for interviews. The final selection cutoff, no one knows. Number of vacancies, no one knows, right? So what were the cutoffs for 2025? For civil engineering discipline, GATE score cutoff was 817 and CBT cutoff was 103. This was for shortlisting cutoff, shortlisting for interview cutoff, right? So this is with respect to GATE examination and this is with respect to the BARC examination, right? And apart from that, OCS, DGFS cutoffs for 2024, it is civil for 852 and CBT cutoffs 104. So you can see GATE score requirement is very, very high, but CBT cutoff is somewhat ranging above 100. But try to cover as much syllabus as you can. That should be your fine approach. And give the mock tests which are being shared by Reasoning Academy. You'll see a difference. Keep on revising your concepts, keep on revising your short notes and appear for tests. That's it, right? Nevertheless, one second, yeah. So, and 2023 cutoff also you can see it is above 100 and close CBT cutoffs, right? Right. So, nevertheless, this is your test series. You can still scan this QR code and register for test series Do that and prepare well for BARC examination as well. And please be open for further forms which are being lined up without GATE, with GATE, all of them. Appear for all of them. Right? And also shortly, the counseling for GATE examination will also start. Please be open for that as well, for MTech programs. Now, like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends if you think that this video is helpful for any one of them, and do register for our test series. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.